Show me I can trust you, don't lie. I could really use it.
Everybody need love, even niggas like me. You dumb and you ain't shit.
Show me I could trust you, and I could really use it.
Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl I Spy Fashion, and I'm here today to tell you guys all about basic pieces that you should have in your wardrobe. If you're interested in finding out what those guys are, stay tuned for the rest of this video. Alright guys, so I created this video mainly because I found out that I had a lot of statement pieces in my closet versus basics. So what is a statement piece, you may ask? Statement pieces are basically the main focal piece that drives like everyone's attention to your outfit. So for instance, a beautiful top like this, it's a ruffled like tube top. This is considered a statement piece because if I put it on with a plain pair of jeans and some heels or some sneakers, whatever the case may be, the focal point of my outfit will be this ruffled top versus a basic halter white top like what I have on right now. Catch my drift? Second example would be this neon cropped blazer versus oversized tan blazer that I have on. So you need your core basic pieces in your wardrobe just to get your cost per wear out of them, and also just so you're not buying new pieces consistently every time you have to go somewhere. Yeah. Alright guys, let's get this video started. So first off, I want to talk to you guys about, we're going to talk about the tops and then we'll segue into other pieces, you know? So we're going to start off with t-shirts. T-shirts are an essential basic piece that you need to have. I would start off with plain t-shirts instead of graphic tees just to build up your wardrobe, you know? So I have a few. Right here, I have this cotton t-shirt from H&M. I have them in quite a few colors, but if you want to just start off like very neutral, you could just start off with white or black or tan. I have like white, I have like this peachy color, I have it in a striped colorway, and these guys I usually go like gravitate towards anytime I'm just like running out to the store, or even if I'm going to work, I could pair it with a nice pair of trouser pants and just elevate my look. But with these key basic t-shirts, they're so easy to throw on, especially during the summer weather that we have right now. Super hot, it's super breathable. These guys retail for about $5.99 at H&M. I purchased a few of these when they had a sale going on probably like a month ago, so I got them for $4.99, which was even better. You could get basic t-shirts from Target, Zara, you name it. Mostly everywhere sells a basic t-shirt. I bought them a few months ago and they've been holding up pretty well. I've washed them several times and they've been pretty good. They haven't shrunk or lost its like the neckline is super important when buying t-shirts, because you don't want to get a t-shirt and then the necklines get stretched out, which is super annoying. So they've been upholding pretty well, so I will vouch and say head on over to H&M and get you a few of t-shirts. Another great item from Zara, another good basic piece, are bodysuits. A bodysuit can take you a long way, girls or guys. I feel like I definitely have two bodysuits from Zara that I recently purchased, probably like a month ago. I bought one a month ago, I bought the white one a month ago, and then I ended up buying the black one, or vice versa. These guys retail for about $25 and the quality is so good. They're cotton. I will say that they're very, very comfortable. I feel like I've bought a lot of bodysuits from different vendors like or stores like Pretty Little Thing and Nasty Gal, but these by far are my favorite bodysuits. They're so easy to just grab and go. They're a little more pricey, but the quality is very good and it upholds very well. So I highly recommend purchasing some bodysuits. They're super easy to put on when you're heading out. I got the deep V ones for like when I'm going out with my friends, so like to the movies or to brunch. You could pair it with a pair of jeans or a nice skirt, and you really could play around with those pieces to really help, you know, put a look together. Another core basic piece that everyone should have in their wardrobe is a button-down white shirt. So this baby is a long sleeve, regular collared, button-down shirt. I like to get a few of these guys because I like to get a normal, a regular fitted one. Then I like to get an oversized one because it's like, there's so much use you can get out of the shirt. I got this one specifically from Zara. It retails for about $45, but you could also go to like a H&M or any other store and find you a nice quality button-down shirt. Polo also has really good ones. I have a shirt from Polo, or a few shirts from Polo, that are very good and the quality is longer lasting. I feel like this is an essential piece just for your wardrobe. Just like if you wanted to wear this, you could pair it with a little halter shirt like this and keep it open, or you could even pair it with a nice pair of shorts to kind of elevate or do like that high-low look. It all depends, and this is also great because I work in fashion in a corporate setting and I always need a good button-down white shirt. So highly recommend. All right, now getting into the subject of blazers. Blazers are very important and essential to your wardrobe, whether it be a nice neutral tan color like so. This is an oversized blazer that I got from H&M. It retails for $45, and it's super, like, it's a nice length. I'm 5'7", and I feel like this fits me amazingly. I think I got it in a size large because I wanted to do a little oversized. I highly recommend like getting a neutral color blazer to go with a multitude of things. You could wear it for work, you could wear it when you're going out. It plays a real big part in your wardrobe. So of course I have quite a few blazers because I am a blazer, I'm an outerwear kind of girl. So I do have quite a few, but another one I will highly recommend as well is black. Black takes you a long way. It goes with every piece. I've washed it in the washer machine and it still upholds its color. That's a big thing to me. Like, it never got dingy and worn out. Like, look how good this enriched this black looks, you know? And I feel like it's a great quality. If $45 is still a little too pricey for you, a more affordable route would be to thrift one. Going to the thrift store to get a blazer is like super easy because they always have blazers. Like, you could definitely, if you're looking for oversized, head on over to the men's section. That's also a great way to get a better oversized fit. On the subject of outerwear, another key piece to have is a leather jacket. So this beautiful baby I got from Nasty Y'all for only $7. I know, it's wild. They had this crazy sale one time and I got it for $7. So I got her in a size large. I love the like silver hardware. She comes with a belt, and this really could elevate your outfit or even make it a little more like low. So if you were wearing a nice dress and you threw on this leather jacket with a baseball cap, it gives it a more high-low look. Now if you were wearing this with, you know, the button-down dress shirt and a pair of denim shorts, it just elevates the outfit a little more, you know? So this is definitely, well, leather jackets in general are definitely a key piece that I highly suggest that you invest in. This one was only $7. I have quite a few leather jackets. This is obviously faux leather, but if you want to invest in a real leather jacket, I highly recommend. On the subject of jackets, the last jacket I want to show you guys is a denim jacket. So this denim jacket is really cute. It's cropped. I got her. Some may debate this is not a statement, not a basic. I feel like jeans jackets in general are basics. This one in particular may not be because it has like a little puff sleeve and it's cropped. But in my defense, it's a medium wash blue, which I feel could go with a lot of pieces. I highly recommend a denim jacket in your wardrobe. All right, moving on to bottoms. So on the subject of denim, we could talk about denim pieces that you should have in your wardrobe that are essential. So I want to start off with my favorite pair of jeans right now. These guys are from Zara. So they're that long, wide leg, distressed knee, high-waisted jean from Zara. That was such a long-winded way of saying these wide leg jeans. So I really truly love these jeans. If you follow me on Instagram at Ashantie _, it'll be popping up right here. You will see how many times I wear these jeans, and I love them. I love them, love them, love them. I'm getting my cost per wear out of them, and I literally feel like they're so comfortable. They're worth the money. They retail for like $50, $49, $49.90 or something. It comes up to like $50. So they have such great stretch. They fit me amazing. They give me like, they make my butt look nice. They like sit nicely on my stomach, and they like cinch in my waist. I really love these guys. They're super long. I told you guys I'm 5'7". They're always dragging in the street. The only way they're not dragging is if I'm wearing a heel. Now I love those jeans, but I cannot wear them to work. I can wear denim to work, but they can't have distressing in them. So I had to find another great pair of jeans without distressing in them. These babies I got from H&M. They're also a wide leg. As you can see, they're not as long as the Zara jeans. These are a little more, they hit me right by my ankles, so they're not long at all. You can wear them with sneakers, you can wear them with heels, shoes, whatever, loafers, whatever floats your boat. These are pretty comfortable. I still feel like the Zara ones are better quality. I also got these in a size large, and I feel like they're a great piece to have, like to start off your basics for denim. And like I said, they retail for $28, so I feel like they're a good buy. Lastly, for denim, I highly suggest that you get a pair of black jeans. These guys are a straight leg fit that I got from H&M. I believe they retail for like $25 because I got them on sale. This denim is a better quality than the other pair that I just showed you of the wide leg, and I really enjoy them. The only thing I dislike is they're not high-waisted. I love me a good high-waist jean, but these just fit on your regular, like, I guess mid-waist. They're not low-rise. I don't wear low-rise jeans. Like, this is not the early 2000s. I ain't doing that no more. But these guys I truly like. They're of a straight fit, and they're pretty good. All right, we have 2 more items, and then we're wrapping this video up. I hope this video has been helpful for you guys. The first accessory I want to talk about are belts. A black leather or faux leather belt will carry you a long way. This baby I got from Topshop I wouldn't say years ago. Oh, it is years ago. I got it during the pandemic from Topshop on Nordstrom, because Nordstrom still sells Topshop items. I know Topshop itself is closed. The store is no longer in the US. So this belt, I believe I probably got it for no more than 20 bucks, and she has lasted me for so long. I really enjoy this. I have a lot of other belts, but I always gravitate to this one because it's just plain black and it has like the gold hardware, and I feel like you really get a lot of use out of it. So highly recommend getting a black belt. Now if you can splurge a little more, I definitely say invest in a higher quality belt. So my higher quality is this Gucci belt. I got it in the medium size and I love it. It really goes with so much fits. I need to take it to the store to get it, like, because I purchased it online. I need to take it to the store to get it cut so I can wear it more on my high waist. Put it around like so, and look, you will cinch in your waist and it elevates the whole fit a lot more. I feel like a core black belt with gold hardware, if you're a gold person, or silver hardware if you're a silver person, is super essential to your basics closet. Alrighty, the last piece that I think is a basic for everyone, if you wear hats. I am a hat kind of gal. I have a lot of hats. You name a style of hat, I got it. A bucket, a fedora, a beret, you name it, I have it, right? So I am a hat connoisseur, if you would say. But I do feel like everyone should have at least one of these hats that I'm about to show you in their closet, in their basic wardrobe. So here we have a baseball cap and a fitted. I feel like these guys are super essential to your closet just because they add that little extra style that you may need. Sometimes your hair may not be done and you just want to throw a hat on, or sometimes you just want to add a little pizzazz to your fit to give it a little sauce, a little juice, you feel me? So definitely adding either a baseball cap, aka a dad hat, or a fitted really does it to the fit. So of course I have two Yankee hats because I am from the Bronx and I do rep the Yankees, but also because it's a nice neutral color. I love the navy. Navy is easy to like pop with any type of fit. So I can put it on right now to show you guys. So you see, this is how the fitted looks. Oh my god, right here. This is how the fitted looks. It's more of a wider brim. And you know, look at how it just changed the outfit. It gives it a little sauce, you know. And then we have the dad hat, which is smaller, still giving you a cute look, but you guys see the difference. There's a difference, you know, you see the difference. So definitely recommending either a fitted with a nice neutral color that you like. You don't have to get the Yankees one. There's so many colors and varieties of fitteds that you could pick one, but I definitely feel like that is a nice essential to have in your closet, girl or guy. I'm the girliest of girls, I would say, and I love having the dad hat or a fitted. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Comment down below what piece was your favorite or what piece you feel like should have been added to this video. And thank you guys so much for making it to the end. Love you all so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.